Act like you know. Let's go to Ikea, my favorite store. Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today. I am doing an Ikea walkthrough. I needed to go price some cabinets for my pantry and really just get a feel for some of the new products that they have. So I hope you enjoy. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And now we can get started. I started upstairs in the display area where they show you how to merchandise their new products and really just how to use them in your own space. These bookshelves were nice. A friend who came to Ikea with me was looking at them for her space. And then we saw this cute cafe table, which would be perfect in a small space like a studio apartment. Pestle and mortar, I love the color. It's non-traditional and also just really nice and modern in shape. And then we saw this mirror we thought was so cute. I'm not going to say any of the names, but the items I show I will link down below as many as I can. And also encourage you to go to the Ikea webpage where you can fill your cart up and hopefully get the things that you need. We were definitely fascinated by the open shelving. The great thing about Ikea is you don't necessarily have to come here to shop all the time. You can just come here to get some good ideas. And I fell in love with these candlesticks as well. One of the great things about Ikea are their lighting. We appreciated this setup here, and I say we because a friend did come with me to Ikea. I recommend you don't tour alone or shop alone. And we really like these, especially this black lamp. The price point was really good as well. And I've seen a lot of people take their baskets, which I'll show you towards the end, and turn them into lights too. So if you're on a budget or you're looking for a different style, definitely consider using one of the baskets as a light. This table setup was so cute. Definitely veering on the mid-century modern side. A little higher price than I personally cared for, but I did like the setup. And then these were sort of a faux concrete table. We liked those too. They were very modern and would work really great in any space. If you're enjoying my content, make sure you follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Now, this is a coffee table, and I like that it flips up to provide you with more space, but it's also very compact if you live in a small space. And this is probably my favorite room. It's a little glam, a little vintage, very luxurious looking, and the colors are just right with the gray and the black and a little bit of green. I fell in love with this lamp. It swivels and provides really great lighting for your space. I have come upon the cabinets. I really love these glass door cabinets by Ikea, and these are the ones I'm really considering for my pantry. I just need one. They have removable shelves, so you can design it to look however you'd like. And of course, with all things Ikea, you can always update the doors and the handles. This media cabinet is really modern and industrial, and a friend of mine actually sourced this cabinet off of Facebook Market. So if you're looking to save, definitely check there, or even thrifts. Sometimes the thrift will have Ikea furniture as well. I thought these cabinets were really nice storage solutions. They're modern and sleek and will look good in any space. And again, shelves are adjustable. And this beautiful baby is brand new. I love the wood grain. My friend and I were instantly attracted to this piece. It's absolutely beautiful. There's these beautiful new plates. They range in price from like $1.89 to $3.49. I thought they would be really nice for the spring. So I absolutely love the wood grain on this stool and would likely use it as a plant stand, but it's absolutely beautiful and a good price point. And then we walked by these amazing dining tables with the faux marbling. This one was a nice setup for a small space. And then we found the expandable tables. This baby had been sampled a little too much, so the insert was collapsing, but it's nice to know that they have this. It folds down and the table comes together, so again, it's perfect for a small space. And it comes in black and white. So pro tip, definitely walk upstairs unless you know exactly what you're coming for and you just want to walk downstairs and make your purchase. These items are some of my favorite, the scrub sponges and the milk frother. They were all on clearance, so it was fun to see them. You wouldn't find them downstairs, they're only upstairs. And this beautiful rail I actually purchased because I do have a coffee bar to update. I thought it was so great that they come in black and gold, and for the longest they only even came in black. And I do believe it comes in silver, so you have a lot of options for your space. And I came across this tree. I cannot find it on the website yet, and a lot of their plants say Fechka. But I thought it was a great price point considering a lot of plants are well into the hundreds. And of course, Ikea had to appeal to the gamers. All the gamers in my life would love these chairs and the setup that I'll show you shortly. It's actually kind of awesome. Really modern and clean and has everything you could possibly need to play video games. Here's the gamer setup, and they have so many awesome accessories that can go with your gaming area, especially if you game on your computer. I thought this accessory holder was a lot of fun and just a unique piece to put in your space. Ikea also offers a bunch of standing desks or adjustable desks, which I thought was really nice. Something I need for my office, actually. And I came across these nice side tables that are great if you work on your couch or just need sort of a folding table for your couch. And this one actually has a cup holder. Fun fact about Ikea is that the one in Columbus is actually the most stocked. I learned that on TikTok. And this styling of furniture is perfect for anyone into the Scandinavian or even Japandi styling for their spaces. I'm only going to show probably one or two rugs, but this one had so much texture and was absolutely beautiful. And then we headed to the kitchen section where I saw these awesome measuring cups. They're nice and big. And Ikea is great for storage options. This little set is new and it does come in a 3-pack for $4.99. They also have the bamboo lids that go on the glass containers that are very popular, especially for organizing your pantries and organizing your refrigerators. These are great storage options. And one of my family's favorites are these storage bags. You get 2 in a box, 2 different sizes in a box, and they last a really long time. So every time I'm in Ikea, I pick up a couple boxes. And Ikea is getting ready for spring like everyone else, and I saw these beautiful glasses. They're a great price for a 4-pack and will look great on any patio. Ikea has great options for decanting items from your laundry room, your refrigerator, like your orange juice, your milk, your laundry detergent if you use liquid, or even your fabric softener. And I thought these were just beautiful. The lids are perfect and moisture was resistant. And then these I have to come back for. I forgot that they had them, and I definitely need them for my laundry room to decant some of my products like my Lysol and laundry booster and my bleach. And as we moseyed along, I saw this nice display of mirrors. These round ones come in a set of 2 for $14.99, and I really like how they put them up here on the wall. And then this, I think I'm going to buy for my laundry room. It's just a great storage option, especially if you have a tight space, and I have a tight space between my dryer and the wall, and I think this would fit perfectly. And I love that it's on wheels. Now, I mentioned this kit in my last video. It is a must if you own a home or if you're alright with putting holes in the walls of your rental. This kit has saved my life with my 100-year-old house. Of course, there are some beautiful handles and knobs and hooks for your walls. They have some new ones as well, these wood-styled ones with the black backing. I thought were really nice. If you just need to hang your coat or your purse, they would be sturdy enough on your walls. And there's some beautiful rails here. These are all new, and this is in the bathroom section of Ikea. I also came across some of these nice modern bathroom sets that can hold toothbrushes and hand soap and bar soap. I love the matte black, of course. Who doesn't love black? Hands down, the best pillow inserts you could ever buy are these ones. The name is displayed, the price is displayed. They are absolutely perfect. They come in 20-inch and 26-inch. And if you have a 20-inch pillow, definitely buy the 26-inch insert. It will fit. I've used them on my mother's couch and her pillows, and this is just, it's the absolute best. And even all the bloggers and YouTubers and influencers rave about this pillow. So I love the merchandising of this display. They have a new bonsai tree, which I think is super cool. It's faux, of course. And then they're also showing you one of their new vases for flowers and some of their new pillow covers. And here's a few more entryway rugs that are really nice. Ikea is known for their rugs, and especially they have some on the other side I'm going to show you that are completely blank and sizable. So if you want to DIY your own welcome mat, you certainly can. One of my favorite sections in Ikea are the baskets. As you see, the ones on the wall I DIY'd for my little nook. I'll link that video below if you missed it. But these are great for your bathroom, really anywhere in your house. If you like to collect things, if you need to store batteries, paper clips, pens, these are just beautiful options to decant those pieces into. And ones like this is brand new. I would put a plant in here. I think it would hold a plant very nicely, and it kind of lifts it off the ground as well. And these cute little babies will be perfect in a bathroom. And this woven basket is also new. It would be nice to hold blankets next to your sofa. They also have some hat boxes which would work for storage in a closet space really nicely to hold small things like gloves, scarves, and hats. And here's a new hamper. Lots of texture and really just a nice aesthetic. And of course, I'm excited to see this new selfie ring light. It's sturdy, it will sit on any desk or platform, and you can record. Now, Ikea has a variety of lighting to offer. I mean, I don't even think the word variety can describe how many options there are, but I fell in love with a few of the standing lamps that you see here, and they have different lampshades on them, but of course those are interchangeable. I thought these were awesome, modern, definitely gives you a little bit of that glam look. And here's the lamp we saw earlier in the display area. And I am looking at some arch lamps, so some of these standing lamps were definitely on my list to potentially be used in my living room. And this lamp is brand new as well. I love the turnstile of the stand. And of course, this beautiful baby caught my eye. The best part about Ikea is how they integrate functionality with style. Believe it or not, these are air purifiers integrated into a table. I just think that's the most amazing invention. These tables are sleek and stylish and keep your air clean. I'm still amazed, just amazed. And of course, Ikea is known for their vases and affordable accessories. This is the new vase I showed in that setup by the pillows. It's nice and modern. It also comes in clear glass. And then this is a collection. There's some rounded vases with fluted tops. And then there are some, I guess, more squared rounded vases. I don't know how to describe them. But they also had some really awesome candle holders. Now, I can't find these on the website, so I don't know if they're new or they're being phased out, but I thought they were fun. And some of the vases that are new definitely give off Studio McGee vibes, but I think that's great because now you can get them at Ikea if you need, and they're a good price point as well. They also had some fun accessories with the houses here. You get a set of 2. And then they had some new plant baskets, of course some of my favorites, and they are black, which is nice, sort of a rattan material. So this is my little walkthrough of Ikea. I hope you all enjoyed and are inspired to go shopping, of course. Maybe you found some things for your place as well. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!